Hi guys, welcome back to the class. So in this class now we're looking at distance between two points. So let's see how to explain that distance between 2 points. So we have y-axis, we have the x-axis. So we have here to be x1, x2, we have y1, y2. So we join these 2 points together. We are having a location, having A, we have B. So if we now join this line together now, join the 2 locations together, and also join this to form a right angle triangle, of which the distance between here and here is y2 minus what? y1, and here we're having x2 minus what? x1. So for us to find the distance between the points A and B, so we make use of Pythagoras theorem. So we make use of Pythagoras theorem. It says that from Pythagoras theorem, it says that when you have a right angle triangle, and we are having here to be A, we have here to be B, we are having here y2 minus y1, brackets, x2 minus what? x1 in brackets. So we take hypotenuse, that is the longest side, hypotenuse square, equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. So here now, this triangle, we have AB to be the hypotenuse, which is the distance that we're looking for. Distance AB, that is distance between 2 points. So we have AB square is equals to the opposite. We have our angle here. So the opposite is y2 minus y1. That means I will be having y2 minus y1 all square plus x2 minus what? x1 all square as well. Then the next thing is for us to find a way of eliminating the powers of AB, because we are looking for AB, which is the distance. So AB now we have now be equal to the square root of y2 minus y1 all square plus x2 minus what? x1 all square. So now this is the formula for calculating the distance between 2 points, or you can write it as AB equals to, you can bring x first, doesn't matter, x2 minus x1 all square plus y2 minus what? y1 all square. So this is the formula for calculating distance between 2 points. So you just need to memorize this formula. AB, which is distance between 2 points, equals to the square root of x2 minus x1 all raised to power 2 plus y2 minus y1. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we'll be solving questions on distance between 2 points. See you in the next class.